Hello, this is my video for my PHP Motors website. Um, this is my site. As you see, we go to localhost. Oh, sorry. So go to PHP Motors, post it up. Um, this is it on the large view. This is it on the small view. You can see that it's responsive on both large and small screens. As far as my source code is concerned, I have to switch back out of incognito. For some reason, when I'm not on incognito, the CSS that I recently did doesn't get saved, even when I reload the page. But I'm just going to the normal browser for the CSS and HTML validation. So for CSS, no errors found. For HTML, also no errors. Here is my home PHP code. Um, so I think this part of the website was tricky, like what I posted on the website. So it's pretty much um, a div within a div within another div. This is what it looks like. I used CSS Grid on the DeLorean upgrades. There we go. So I used two grid items. So per column, sorry, per row. Uh, so that's the two column items, and then it gets carried over on the next row, the other two. I initially had troubles using Flexbox for some reason. The blue boxes, I can't get them to have equal sizes, so I just went with grid. Thank you. That is it for my presentation.